welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to do an unboxing. It's because our microwave is broken, but Sarah and Josh is already sleeping, so I'm going to do this with Daddy. Our old microwave is a Samsung overrange microwave. We bought this 2 years ago, but it's already broken. It just broke yesterday, but since we really need a new one, so we bought a new one today. For this model, the complaint is it only lasts 2 years and it's not heating up. We did everything that we can, but after that we just give up, and we gave up and just bought a new one. So come and join me as I unbox the new microwave that we bought. Alright, this is the new microwave that we bought. It's also a Samsung, but it's a different model. So this one is an ME17R7021ES. It's a different model, so I hope this one will work better than the other one. So let's unbox it. Okay, in the box it includes the manual, the filters, the turntable, and this, I think this one is for the internal exhaust, but we're not going to use this. And then the actual unit and some screws. Daddy will help us install this. We are going to install it by ourselves. This is the new one that we have. We were going to uninstall the other one, the old one, and then replace it with a new one. We have this paper. This is a template, so we can match the holes and help us out to install this microwave. Okay guys, we have installed our new microwave, and the difference is this is a basic microwave because the other one, the old one, just look, this is the old one's turntable and this is the new one. See how big? And then the other one has a like other tray here for grill, something like that. There's other options, but this one is just a basic one. We just got the this basic one because we didn't really use the features when we had the last when we had that features before, so it's better to get the basic one. Now we are going to try. Just want to make sure that it's going to work. And now we know it's working. Okay guys, that's it for now. Till next time, thank you for watching.